Hello everyone. This presentation is about classification of plant disease. This is also made by a student. So plant disease. So this presentation is prepared by Makwana Mashram. So classification on the basis of different criteria we will cover in this presentation. Mode of perpetuation in primary infection, infectious nature, production and spread of the inoculums or number of pathogen generations, extents of plant parts affected, causes of the disease, occurrence and geographic distribution, plant parts affected, crop plants affected, symptoms produced on host plants. So on the basis of mode of perpetuation and primary infection, it is of three types: soil-borne diseases, airborne diseases, and seed-borne diseases. Airborne disease, some pathogen infect the host plant through air and bring primary and secondary infection. Example: rust, powdery mildews, etc. Seed-borne disease, some pathogens survive as dormant mycelium or other propagative structures in the seeds of host plant. Example: loose smut of wheat. Soil-borne disease, the pathogens survive in the soil or on the infected plant debris lying in the soil either as their resting spore or as mycelia strand. They all attack the root system of host plants. Example: damping off, seedling blight. On the basis of production and spread of inoculum or number of pathogen generations. Single cycle or monocyclic disease, the increase of disease is mathematically analogous to simple interest money. Those diseases which have only generation in one cropping season, like loose smut of wheat. Second one is multiple cyclic or polycyclic disease. The increase in disease is mathematically analogous to compound interest of money. Those diseases which have more than one generation in cropping season, like late blight of potato. Again, polycyclic. These are also polycyclic diseases, but they complete their disease cycle in more than 1 year. Cedar apple rust. On the basis of extent of plant parts affected. Localized, if they affect only a specific organ or parts of the plants, example root rot, leaf spot. Systematic, if entire plant is affected, like downy mildew, damping off. On the basis of cause of the disease, three types of diseases on the basis of the cause: biotic disease, mesobiotic disease, and abiotic disease. So classification on the basis of occurrence and geographic distribution. Epidemic disease, a disease usually occurs widely but periodically in a destructive form, is referred as epidemic or epiphytotic disease. Example: late blight of potato, Irish famine in 1845. On the basis of occurrence and geographic distribution. Endemic, constantly present in a moderate or severe form and is confined to a particular country or district, like club root of cabbage in Nilgiris, black wort of potato, and onion spot. Sporodic disease occur at very irregular intervals and locations and in relatively fewer instances. Example: arbiter disease of rice, angular leaf spot of cucumber. Pandemic, an epidemic occurring worldwide or over a very wide area, crossing international boundaries and usually affecting a large number of population, like wheat rust. On the basis of organ and plant part affected: fruit disease, apple scab; root disease, root rot of papaya; leaf disease, leaf spot of cotton, seedling disease, damping of seedlings. On the basis of crop plant affected, cereal disease, pulses disease, millet, vegetable disease, fruit disease, ornamental plant disease, forest plant disease. You can see in this diagram. On the basis of symptoms, number 1 is downy mildew. So symptoms appear as yellow to white patches on the upper surface of leaves. This disease is caused by family Perennosporiaceae. So DMD of grapevine, powdery mildew. Symptoms appear as white powdery mass on upper surface of leaves, inflorescence. Example mango, powdery mildew. You can see the powder form in the diagram. So leaf curl, curling, thickening and distortion of leaves. Peach leaf curl or tomato leaf curl. Galls, enlarged part of plant organ, usually caused by excessive multiplication or enlargement of plant cells. Example clubroot, enlarged root, bacterial gall by agrobacterium. Scab, a roughened crust-like diseased area on the surface of a plant organ. Apple scab and pear scab. Dieback, progressive death of shoots and twigs, generally starting at the tip of infected plant part. Shoot dieback of apple. Other diseases are anthracnose, damping of rods, leaf spot, blight, spot blotch, rust, canker, smut, wilt. Thank you very much.